All right, Lorentz order is 3.45 meters from a negative charge, right? So here's this negative 150 times 10 to the minus sixth coulombs, right? And we are 3.45 meters. Here's Lorentz. Right, so here we go. So VE is what? K Q over R, right? So 8.99 times 10 to the ninth times 150 times 10 to the minus sixth over 3.45. E9 times 150. Oh, you got to put the minus sign in there. E minus 6 divided by 3.45. Okay, so I'm getting negative 390,869 point roughly 6. And this is going to be joules per coulomb. Okay, so what is that? That is, okay, negative 3.91 times 10 to the fifth volts is really what we'd say, right? Ta-da. Okay, so notice that it's negative. We don't ignore those minus signs, almost never, right? And we'll talk about this little sheet of rubber, right? If you think about like this sheet of rubber, if we have a positive charges create positive potential, right? Negative charges create, only it's smoother than that, negative potential, holes in the fabric of the universe, right?